Hello my friends, welcome back. Good to see you all again. Here I am in the Oldie Goodie 2015 Lexus IS350 with the V6 and all-wheel drive. V6 all-wheel drive and a 6-speed automatic transmission with paddle shift. Very familiar. When you walk into Lexus, if you're a Lexus fan, then you find it's very familiar in the interior setup. You know, power windows on this side, seat memory on the door panel right here. Got nice exhaust sound there. Good acceleration. Sounds good. And on the steering wheel, it's very comfy too. Soft touch, soft material leather. Then we have the audio control, phone connection and voice command, and over here we have the information control over here. Very simple. Cruise control on the bottom here, and then paddles shift. Acceleration is nice thanks to the V6. Very well balanced thanks to the all-wheel drive system. So the power is transferred very smooth throughout all four wheels, so make the car drive like smoother. Familiar, you know, cluster gauge over here, easy to looking at, you know, to sneak peek at. You got a temperature gauge, RPM, speedometer, fuel gauge, and in the middle has a screen to show other information on it. Over here we have the bigger display for radio, media, climate control, phone connection, and other information. AC vane with the classics, you know, analog clock. That's pretty much it has on pretty much every Lexus. So it's very familiar. You got the AC control panel down here, audio control, and this one comes with the seat heater, ventilation seat. You got a shifter here, and you have the control roller over here for the screen up there. And down here we have the mode control knob for Econ or Sport. The console has a, you know, some small pad right here just to keep it, you know, softer on the elbow. Wow, hit the fuel cut there. Downshift for me because I'm in sport mode. Pretty nice. Let's keep the gear like hanging, you know, keep it in gear longer so that I can shift manually. Very nice feature. I like that. Alright, let's go check this out. You'll see all the familiar in this car. It's very familiar, so it's Lexus. Got black exterior. Okay, dual tip exhaust. Okay, backup camera. A little messy in the trunk there. Oldie Goodie. Lexus all-wheel drive IS350. Very nice looking, black color. I like it. Back seat, it's a little small. Not too bad. I still have some room back here, not too much, but it's a little tight because IS series are a little smaller, but it's comfy. Seat pad is decent, you know. Got a rear AC vent there. Very nice. I'm gonna check under the hood. Let's check under the hood. Under the hood, we have the hull of this IS350. This is the 3.5 liter V6 engine. Very nice and clean down here. I like this one because, I don't know, it doesn't have any plastic cover, so it exposes everything. It'll make it look nice, you know, look like a car, then a bunch of plastic cover down here. Alright. Then we have the welcome to the driver's seat. We have the power adjustment power seat here. The seat is like, pad is good enough pad, you know, just keep it comfy. And we have the sunroof so that you can enjoy the fresh air. Oh, beautiful view at night. It's beautiful, beautiful. And the interior looked like very familiar, so I'm not going to go too deep into that, you know. Very aggressive acceleration in sport mode. I like it. Keeping the gear hanging longer so you can use that power. And well, somehow it's a little late in the maybe. Okay, so it's shifting pretty good then. I like it. The handling is amazing, like all-wheel drive. Alright guys, it was a cool experience. Thank you for coming with me. Thank you for checking this out. Have a wonderful day, or have an amazing day. I'll see you guys next time. And thank you.